In this short video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to send, sign, and track documents in the Business Kits platform, all in one secure workflow. From your main dashboard, you have two ways to start. You can select Sign Documents right here on your dashboard, or open it anytime from the sidebar menu. This takes you to your signing workspace, where you'll see all active and completed documents listed. There's a few ways to sign a document. Let's take a look. From here, you can select from any of the draft forms you have been working on by selecting from the below list, or from the Add a Document option to bring in your own file. You can also drag and drop your file straight into the upload box, rename it if needed, and then click Continue. Let's start by signing a draft we have been working on from the section below. Next, add your recipients. You can include as many people as you like and set their role, such as signer, approver, viewer, or recipient copy. Once you've added everyone, click Continue. Now, choose where each signer will fill in their details. You can drag and drop fields like signature, text, date, email, or position directly onto the document. Adjust the size to fit neatly and repeat for each required field. Once everything looks right, click Continue to review. Add a subject line and an optional message for the signer, then hit Send. The signer will receive a secure email link and you can track progress in real time, with every action recorded in your audit trail. And that's it. You've just sent a document for digital signing, quick, compliant, and secure with Business Kits.